Now here's how I believe that they did it, which shows me from my patterns, looking for patterns. Let's say that this pink piece of foam right here, and because I don't have a piece of diorite granite, but I'll give you a demonstration of how I think they did it, of what they had on hand and what is plausible for them to do what they did. We have a flat surface of granite. It also could work on the sandstone. Now pattern's cut here. Now how would they cut it out using what they had? What they had was a grinding operation where they could grind a stone chisel. It's not really a chisel. I mean, let's just say it's a square piece of stone. Okay? Like this. What else did they have they could use? They had tons and tons of granite dust. What cuts granite? Well, either something like granite or harder. Not granite sand, I mean granite pieces. What they would do is they would put their granite pieces, their little chunks, in the area they wanted to do, and they would start in one place. Then what they would do, after they put the chunks underneath, or you could call them filings, I'm just using this as an example, but they would have the chunks underneath here, and this shows in the orange granite in those three pieces that go here, here, and here. It also shows in the pieces that were indented in the bottom of the orange granite. Now we know that they had granite. They could make a square piece of granite. We know they had hammers of some type because they used them for breaking the stones and also breaking those tenon heads. So what they would do is they would take their granite piece right here. Okay, and they hold it with one hand. What they'd have the dust, not the dust, but the pieces, not sand, but pieces of the granite filing underneath there, and they would tap. It's hard to do this one hand. I'll give it a big tap here. Anyway, you can see my point. Now,